In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily download iCloud photos back to your iPhone Photos app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and if you want to download all the photos from your iCloud to your iPhone's gallery, then first off you need to head over to Settings. After that, tap right here at your name at the very top. Then go to iCloud, tap at Photos, and here all you have to do is just activate this option, which is called Sync this iPhone. To do that, just tap right here at this button. What that will do, that will allow iCloud to sync photos with your iPhone's gallery. However, guys, if you would like to download just specific photos from your iCloud, you can easily do so as well. And to do that, I'm gonna use a web browser. In my case, it is Safari. You can use any web browser you want. All you have to do, guys, is just go to iCloud.com. Then obviously you need to sign with your Apple ID to continue. And once it is done, tap right here at Select. Then select photos you would like to download. After that, tap right here at these three dots and select Download. What that will do, that will download all the selected images to your iPhone internal storage. Now I'm going to show you how we can easily find them. To do that, we need to go to the app which is called Files. It is official Apple application to manage files on your iPhone, so we need to open it up. Then we need to go to the directory which is called On My iPhone, and then Downloads. There we can easily find iCloud photos.zip. So now first off we need to unarchive this archive file. To do that, long press on it and select Uncompress. What that will do, that will unarchive all the downloaded photos to that folder. That's where we can find all of the photos we have downloaded. Now, to bring them back to your photos gallery, you need to tap right here at these three dots. Tap at Select. After that, hit at Select All. Then tap at Share. After that, scroll down a bit and select Save Images. What that will do, that will copy these images to your camera roll. Now we can go back to Photos app. As you can see, all these images are already here. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.